నమస్తే. ఈరోజు మనతో పాటు ఒక ప్రత్యేకమైన వ్యక్తి ఉన్నారు. ఆయనే కన్నడ కంఠీరవ దివంగత రాజ్ కుమార్ గారి అబ్బాయి, కన్నడ పవర్ స్టార్ యువరత్న సినిమాతో మన ముందుకు రాబోతున్న పునీత్ రాజ్ కుమార్ గారు. సో పునీత్ రాజ్ కుమార్ గారు ఒక యాక్టర్ మాత్రమే కాదు, ఒక ప్లేబ్యాక్ సింగర్, ఒక ప్రొడ్యూసర్ అండ్ విరివిగా సహాయం చేసేటటువంటి ఒక మంచి వ్యక్తి. మరి ఒక సూపర్ స్టార్కి తెలుగు ఇండస్ట్రీలోకి ఒక బైలింగ్వల్ మూవీ యువరత్నతో రావడానికి ఇంత టైం ఎందుకు పట్టింది? అండ్ ఓటీటీస్ గురించి, పాన్ ఇండియా మూవీస్ గురించి ఆయన ఏమనుకుంటూ ఉన్నారు, తెలుగు ఇండస్ట్రీలో ఆయనకున్న బెస్ట్ ఫ్రెండ్స్ ఎవరు, ఆయన అడిగి తెలుసుకుందాం. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಪುನೀತ್ ರಾಜ್ ಕುಮಾರ್ గారు.
ನಮಸ್ತೆ.
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ನಾನು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
నాకు అంతవరకే వచ్చు సార్ కన్నడ, అందుకంటే రాదు.
నాకు కొంచెం తెలుగు వస్తుంది.
ఓకే.
అంటే ఐ కెన్ అండర్స్టాండ్ క్లియర్లీ, బట్ టు టాక్ ఇక్కడ ఒక భయం కాదు, అంటే ఐ మైట్ మేక్ మిస్టేక్స్ అని
అది కొంచెం ఫియర్ ఉంటుంది, అది వేరే వాళ్ళు తప్పుగా అనుకుంటారనేది.
తప్పుగా అనుకుంటారు. న్యూ లాంగ్వేజ్ కదా
యువరత్న. తెలుగులోకి ఫస్ట్ బైలింగ్వల్ మూవీ, అంటే ఇంతకుముందు మీ జాకీ మూవీ వచ్చినట్టుంది కదా.
అవును, అక్కడ రిలీజ్ అయిన తర్వాత
డబ్ అయింది ఇటు
100 days, ఐ మీన్ ఆఫ్టర్ 1 year ఇక్కడ
అవును
డబ్ చేసి.
అవును. సో ఏంటి ఇంత టైం ఎందుకు పట్టింది? యువరత్న వరకు ఎందుకు ఇంత టైం పట్టింది మీకు?
తెలీదు, I don't know, but I've always had a great cordial relationship with the Telugu film industry. I've known a lot of people from the time when my dad used to be in the film industry, from the great NTR sir to Nageshwara sir to Mr. Krishna sir, with the present generation of all the actors like Chiranjeevi garu to Balkrishna sir to my colleagues as in Allu Arjun, my brother Tarak, and a lot of them, Ram Charan, Rana, all of them have been very good friends of mine.
యువరత్న దేని గురించి?
Yuvaratna is a youth-based film. It's about a story of a college, an institution, and it has a lot of flavors of how the education system is, with the kind of audience what we have across India. With a lot of feelings and emotions and action, the so-called the screenplay of story what is around it. It's got almost mixed flavors in the film. అన్నీ ఉంది.
ఎందుకు చూస్ చేసుకున్నారు? అంటే ఒక కాలేజ్ స్టూడెంట్గా ప్లే చేయాలి మీరు, సో ఎందుకు చూస్ చేసుకున్నారు? వాట్ ఈస్ ద మెయిన్ రీజన్ బిహైండ్ యువరత్న? వాట్ ఈస్ స్పెషాలిటీ ఇన్ ఇట్?
స్పెషాలిటీ యాజ్ ఐ టోల్డ్ యూ, ద స్క్రీన్ ప్లే చాలా బాగుంది, డైలాగ్స్ చాలా బాగుంది. తర్వాత
ట్రైలర్లో చూసాం, డైలాగ్స్ ఫర్ అవుట్ స్టాండింగ్.
ఒక బ్యూటిఫుల్ ఇష్యూ విచ్ ఇస్ విట్నెస్డ్ ఇన్ ఇట్. సో ఐ డూ ప్లే అ స్టూడెంట్ ఫర్ సమ్ పార్ట్ ఆఫ్ ద ఫిల్మ్.
ఓకే.
But the rest is a surprise which you have to watch it in the film. So there are a lot of elements which is very nice. There are a lot of portions which are touched very well in the film. When it comes to facing today's youth's life, about his dreams or her dreams, the vision what they go through. It's got a lot of social responsible sort of messages feeling in the film.
So and you lost so much of weight.
Yeah, for one particular sequence, not really much, but yes, I did make an effort and lose some weight.
I know you are a fitness freak.
Yeah.
So
health as well.
did you
need to always keep yourself fit.
Yeah. Having said that, did you follow any particular workout regime for this?
Nothing in. See, the main struggle for me generally on my weight is food. I love food. Even now I'm in Hyderabad.
A good foodie and a workout freak, it's a bad combination.
Yeah, it's actually a very good combination, because ultimately you and me are working for our livelihood.
Of course, yeah.
The first livelihood comes our stomach. We need to fill ourselves, eat good food. Of course, yes, and we need to look nice because of our profession. So I did cut down on my food, went on to good habits for that couple of days to look young and as well as lose weight.
సో ఈ పాండమిక్ ఎఫెక్ట్ మూవీ మీద పడ్డట్టుంది కదా. ఇట్స్ బిన్ 2018లో అనౌన్స్ చేసినట్టున్నారు మూవీ.
లేదు, ఫిలిం 2019 స్టార్ట్ అయింది. తర్వాత 178 months కంప్లీట్ చేశారు.
యా.
సో తర్వాత వాట్ హ్యాపెన్ బై ద టైమ్ 2020, the entire world faced.
Yeah.
And we are still kind of facing a little bit, which is really bad. I think all of us should come out now and
అవును.
fight our way out. Yes, we had completed almost 90% of the filmmaking. We just had only songs left.
Hmm.
So we completed that after the pandemic.
సో ఓన్లీ సాంగ్స్ కోసం 1 year వెయిట్ చేయాల్సి వచ్చింది బికాస్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ పాండమిక్
Yeah,
సిచ్యువేషన్.
yeah.
సో హౌ బ్యాడ్ ఇట్ వాజ్ ఆన్ కన్నడ ఇండస్ట్రీ?
No, it was bad throughout.
Of
India,
course,
I
of course,
feel.
yeah.
There were only few places where direct movies which went on OTT. Even in Kannada, we also released 2
Avunu.
films
Avunu.
directly on OTT. But still, that was not the solution for the kind of people we are, because we all love going to the theaters,
ఎస్,
watching the movie,
లార్జర్ దెన్ లైఫ్
larger than life, admiring the people whom we like, and take our families together, have a sip of your cold drink or your popcorn or scream
ఎస్,
your way out and look at the other people enjoying.
దట్ ambience is completely next
Totally
level.
different.
Yes.
It could be either a multiplex nor a single screen,
Single
but makes no difference. Still, you're sitting in a place where you have a bigger screen
Yes, that's
Seeing the
different,
people whom
completely
you
different.
love.
Yes.
on a larger format.
Mm.
Yeah.
So how is the situation right now in Canada?
It's a little better. In fact, we had couple of releases from 2 months. They're fairly done well. And I've also heard a lot of good reviews about Telugu films doing extremely well. In fact, the one present running now called Jati,
జాతి రత్నాలు.
yes, Jati. So that I heard that film is doing well. I've not got to watch it though. But before this also, when it comes to Tamil, I think Vijay sir released this film.
మాస్టర్.
Yeah, Master. Even in Kannada, we had 2 big releases.
Oh.
They were also dubbed in Telugu though.
సర్ప్రైజ్ టు సీ యూ లైక్ మీరు ఇతర స్టార్స్ గురించి వితౌట్ హెసిటేషన్ యూ స్పీక్. ఇట్ డోంట్ హ్యాపెన్ వెరీ ఫ్రీక్వెంట్లీ విత్ ఏ సూపర్ స్టార్.
I'm not a superstar. I'm an actor, actually speaking.
దట్స్ సో స్వీట్ ఆఫ్ యూ.
Yeah, I've always believed my job and I love my profession.
సో యువర్ అన్ యాక్టర్, యూ ఫిక్స్ టు దట్.
Yeah.
బట్
all
యువర్
the
ఫ్యాన్స్
time.
డోంట్. యువర్ ఫ్యాన్స్ డోంట్.
No, that's their greatness. The fans' greatness. The people who look at us, admire us. We should always be blessed with the kind of love and affection what they have shown towards our family. In fact, I must say that even whenever I'm in Andhra, whichever part of Andhra or Telangana for that matter, once they get to know we are from the family of Rajkumar, there is huge love and respect all across. So we are so blessed.
యు ఆర్ వన్ ఆఫ్ ది బెస్ట్ డాన్సర్స్ ఇన్ సౌత్ ఇండియా. సో యువరత్నలో అంటే ట్రైలర్లో కనబడుతుంది. సో మీ ఫ్యాన్స్కి ఎట్లాంటి ఎంటర్టైన్మెంట్ ఉన్నది రిగార్డింగ్ డ్యాన్స్?
In fact, the masters are from here. ఇక్కడి నుంచి వచ్చారు మన జానీ గారు.
ఓకే.
Then we have another boy from Hyderabad itself. He's new.
Okay.
I think he's also doing a lot of films now. Sirish.
ఓకే.
And we had our own favorite choreographer called Chinni Prakash. He's done a lot of movies in Kannada as well as Telugu and quite popular in Bollywood. So very senior master.
అవును.
So we had all of them choreographed. And dance is something which I've always loved from my childhood. But initially it was not for the films, it was just for myself.
ఓకే.
But later on when I chose a profession to be a film actor, that became an added on benefit. And I love dancing. And I love people who dance extremely good. People from here, they're fantastic. Our own Tarak is amazing. Allu Arjun is fantastic. And I've always admired the
చరణ్
songs.
ఆల్సో.
Of course, yes, Charan.
హైదరాబాద్లో మీకు బాగా నచ్చిన ఫుడ్ ఏంటి? వాట్ యూ లైక్?
In Hyderabad?
ఎస్.
No, about Andhra food, I love everything.
సో యువరత్న మూవీ మ్యూజిక్
Yeah.
తెలుగు కన్నడ రెండు కూడా టాప్ చార్ట్స్ ఉన్నాయి మీ సాంగ్స్. ఇప్పుడు
Thanks to
ఆరంభమే కానివ్వండి,
Ah,
అంటే
ah.
ఊరికొక్క రాజా
Thank you,
కానివ్వండి,
thank you.
అండ్ ఊరిగొబ్బ రాజా కన్నడలో మీరే పాడినట్టున్నారు కదా.
Oh,
సో టెల్ us about the music. తమన్
music, of course. Taman is a dear brother, and this is my 3rd project with him. So for Power, Taman did the music, and after that we had another film called Chakravyuha in Kannada. So Taman did the next film for me, and now the 3rd one with Yuvaratna. I think he's given amazing music.
Tell us about the director. This is your 3rd movie probably, if I'm not
My
wrong.
2nd film with Santosh,
Santosh, yeah.
and 3rd film with the production company Hombale
Hombale,
Films.
okay.
So how it went on is, and Santosh's 3rd film as a director. So his first film was with Yash and Radhika, Yash's wife. So they did a film called Ramachari, which was a huge success in Kannada.
అవును.
And after that, we did Rajkumara together, that is me and Santosh. And that was also a good success, and
Yes.
as well as gotten a lot of good name, a lot of goodwill. that was with the production company like Humbale.
అవును.
Humbale is like my production company. We are very, very close to each other. So his third film and my second film with Santosh, again it happened through Humbale. That is Yuvaratna.
కమింగ్ టు ద మార్కెట్ మీది బైలింగ్వల్ మూవీ ఇది.
Yeah.
హౌ డిఫికల్ట్ ఇట్ ఈస్, ఎంత కష్టం ఒక సూపర్ స్టార్ లాంటి మీలాంటి వాళ్ళకి, హౌ డిఫికల్ట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ టు క్యాప్చర్ ఏ షేర్ ఆఫ్ మార్కెట్ ఫ్రమ్ అదర్ లాంగ్వేజ్?
Today there is no barrier for language. I'm sure audience in Telugu, they really appreciate the talent or the script and the subject which is there in a film what we need. And today what's happened is basically a lot of starcast has been mixed with both the industries or all the three industries or four industries across
Yes.
South India when
South.
it comes to Tamil, Telugu and as well as
Malayalam.
Kannada and Malayalam. So in this film, for that matter, Prakash Raj sir plays a fabulous character. He's one of the main pillars of the film too. So of course I don't need to talk about Mr. Prakash Raj here. And I think he's done a great justice for the Telugu industry.
Yes.
So he's there, and Sai Kumar Garu is there in the film. So there are a lot of mixed starcasts in the film. So so people across Andhra or Telangana should not have a problem for a feeling where everybody is new.
Everybody is talking about pan India movies.
Uh-huh.
So what's your take on that? What's your opinion?
It's nice when it happens, when you come out with a script where a pan-Indian audience can accept it. If not, it doesn't matter, no problem. You do good subjects, and today I'm sure you're aware of all your OTT platforms.
I
where
know, yeah.
You're watching films in Spanish, you're watching films
Of
in
course.
French.
Fortunately, we are watching everything.
Yeah, we're watching everything. And I've seen so many people each time when I travel, a lot of them getting engrossed in watching a film which has got different content. If you come out with a script like that, then you should plan. For example, KGF that way helped a lot in capturing the market across, because the film was made in a style where anybody would come and watch the film.
So after Bahubali and KGF,
Yes.
I think they made a push, to
Definitely yes, definitely yes. And hats off to a film like Bahubali for that matter.
సౌత్ ఇండియన్ ఇండస్ట్రీ కూడా పాన్ ఇండియా కైండ్ ఆఫ్
yes,
మూవీ చేయొచ్చు అని ఒక పుష్ ఇచ్చింది.
Anta quality lo.
యా
Exactly. Rajmouli Garu, we feel very proud that Rajmouli Garu is part of a Kannadiga in the sense he was brought up in
యా ఇన్ గంగా
Gangavati.
గంగావతి ఎస్.
In that way, if you ask me, the kind of work what they had put in that film was extremely great. And see, that's what I told you. That's what when you watch the film, you won't call that as a South Indian script or an Andhra script
అవును,
or a Tamil script or a Telugu.
ఇట్స్ గ్లోబల్.
It is a film which is made on an imagination history, which is beautifully portrayed
అబ్సల్యూట్లీ.
by everybody in the film.
అవును.
So that's how people across watched. And for our language, it again took off with KGF, which also made some name across here and there. But Bahubali was something amazing. The second part, and now the third one
Yes,
going on.
yes, yes.
RRR.
Yes,
Looks
Triple R.
amazing. Yeah.
ఒక సూపర్ స్టార్ కొడుకు అయ్యి ఉండి మీరు, యూ వెంట్ ఇన్ టు బిజినెస్,
Yeah.
యూ డిడ్ లాట్ ఆఫ్ థింగ్స్, ఆఫ్టర్
Yes,
దట్ యూ
yeah,
కేమ్ ఇన్ టు ద మూవీస్.
Yeah.
హౌ వాజ్ దట్ లైక్, ఎందుకు అంత గ్యాప్ ఎందుకు తీసుకున్నాను? జస్ట్ లైక్ యూ కెన్, ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ టు యూ కెన్, రైట్?
Yeah, I know that option was always there.
Yes.
There. Option undi, but my interest, I had a lot of other things. I wanted to be a businessman, and I really didn't want to get into films. So, but I was a child actor. So, as a kid, I had acted in a couple of films, but that was just for, I don't know, probably it was our own film. So, my mom dragged me into it. She said, if you want to act, you can act. So it's a good option than go to school and being in film. I'm just joking, but still, that was a kind of option though. So I did do a couple of films as a child actor, but after that, I chose this because none of them clicked. So I thought, okay, let me try my hands in films. And I'm still a very shy person. I take a lot of time, even if I have to go dance somewhere, or do a scene where you're enacting something. For me, it still takes some time.
మీకు స్టార్డమ్ అనేది కొత్త కాదు. మీ ఫాదర్ వాజ్ ఎ సూపర్ స్టార్, సో మీరు చూస్తూనే ఉండి ఉంటారు. సో ఫస్ట్ మూవీ మీ అప్పు సక్సెస్ కొట్టినప్పుడు, హౌ డిడ్ యూ ఫీల్, వెన్ యూ ఫేస్ ద కెమెరా, వెన్ యూ ఫేస్ దిస్ యువర్ ఓన్ స్టార్డమ్?
No, when I faced the camera and all that, it was all a challenge because we had to prove and get in. So for us, it was more of comparison. So I had advantage and disadvantage. Rendu ఉంది అక్కడ. అంటే డిస్అడ్వాంటేజ్ because comparison ఉంటుంది. They will compare you to your father. They will compare you to they'll compare me to my brother, Shivraj Kumar,
అవును.
Raghavendra Rajkumar. They tell, okay, the brother is good, father is fantastic. What is this fellow doing here? You know. Second was the advantage is, of course, for the first day or second day, probably people would come to see because he's Rajkumar's son,
Oh.
Shivraj Kumar's brother. To prove the disadvantage, I have to work hard towards what I'm doing. And the first time when the film released, when people started appreciating, the first person I thought was my director. Because it's only possible to give you a good film
Correct.
with a good director.
కరెక్ట్. నేను మీ గురించి చదువుతున్నప్పుడు వినే ఒక స్పెషల్ లైన్ ఏంటంటే స్టార్ విత్ నో హేటర్స్.
No. Okay,
హౌ
really.
అవును, చాలా మంది స్టార్స్కి నెగిటివ్ రివ్యూస్ ఉంటాయి, నో యాంటీ ఫ్యాన్స్ ఉంటారు, బట్ బీయింగ్ ఏ సూపర్ స్టార్ అండ్ యూ డోంట్ హ్యావ్ ఎనీ యాంటీ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ థింగ్, హౌ డస్ దట్ పాసిబుల్?
I really have no idea. I've just been the same. Whomever I meet, I'm friendly to them. I talk to them. I appreciate their work. And
సో మీ ఫాదర్ నుంచి, రాజ్ కుమార్ గారి నుంచి మీరు నేర్చుకున్న థింగ్స్ వాట్ ఎవర్ ఇన్హెరిటెడ్ ఆర్ యూ లర్న్?
చాలా ఉంది. In fact, everybody's house లో హీరో ఎవరు ఉంటారంటే their own father.
అఫ్ కోర్స్.
My dad is a person what you actually have heard about him. I don't know. He's a very simple man.
యా, లుంగి సింపుల్ షర్ట్ వేసుకుని అంత సూపర్ స్టార్ అయినా కూడా వాస్ దట్ సింపుల్.
And probably he had that since the time he started his films. And till the last few days he survived, but he had the same kind of fame, same kind of love and affection from people. We'd always seen that. So, I'm the same person. I've not changed. I have my same old friends from childhood whom I move around with. And I enjoy my life.
సో మీ బ్రదర్ శివరాజ్ కుమార్ గారి పార్ట్ ఎంత మీ కెరీర్ బిల్డింగ్లో కావచ్చు, డెసిషన్ మేకింగ్లో కావచ్చు?
అంటే నాకు ఫిల్మ్ సబ్జెక్ట్ చూస్ చేయాలంటే మన హౌస్లో they were like pillars to me. My father, till he was alive, my uncle, my brother, like Shivraj Kumar and Raghavendra Rajkumar. All of them were extremely supportive to choose the right kind of films, to go with the right kind of motivation towards films.
ఫస్ట్ తెలుగు ఇంటర్వ్యూ కాబట్టి ఐ వాంటెడ్ టు ఆస్క్ దిస్ క్వశ్చన్. మీ ఫాదర్ వీరప్పన్ కిడ్నాప్ చేసినప్పుడు హౌ వాజ్ ద సిచ్యువేషన్ దేర్? అంటే ఎలా ఫీల్ అయ్యారు మీ ఫ్యామిలీ మొత్తం?
అంటే the problem is, you know what, see, we were not in a position to analyze anything. Because this was something which has never happened to us in our own lives, in our whole lives. So frankly speaking, it was disturbing for a long time, but after the first, second day, it started becoming a challenge that how is it going to end? How is that we're going to get him back? How will it work? So every day was so new. But during the entire time, initially it started with our state, they were so supportive. There were thousands of people every day in front of our house, okay, protesting here and there, whatever. But later on it went on to the entire India. Everybody were praying for things to end. So for us it was a situation where we were only seeing new things every day. And that's how it took us close to 106 days for him to be out.
Yes, yes. It was a hard time, such a hard time.
Very hard time. And to be honest with you, as I told you, we were not in a position to analyze anything. So if you look back, we really don't want to remember those days because,
Of course,
you know,
nobody
everything was
wants.
very difficult.
Yeah, it was a nightmare probably.
Really?
తెలుగు ఇండస్ట్రీ విషయానికి వద్దాం. మీకు బాగా దగ్గరగా ఉండే స్టార్స్ ఎవరు, తెలుగు నుంచి యాక్టర్స్ ఎవరు?
Tarak is like my younger brother, and I also feel very proud that, you know, half of Tarak is again Karnataka because his mother's from Karnataka.
Yes.
So we feel very. I keep telling him, so very sweet of him, and we keep in touch. Then of course it comes to Balkrishna Garu is also very close, and not to forget Allu Arjun is a very dear friend, and also Tarak sir sang a song for me in a movie called Chakravyuha, Gadiya Gadiya. Again, music is by Taman. So he sang that song for me. So Allu Arjun is also extremely close. Each time I watch his songs, I somehow try getting in touch with him and compliment him. Rana is also extremely close. Ram Charan Garu is very close. And Chiranjeevi sir also is like a family to us. In fact, a lot of them in the industry. Puri sir, without saying, Meher Ramesh.
సో ఇంతమంది, ఇంత సర్కిల్ ఉంటే డైరెక్ట్ మూవీ, డైరెక్ట్ తెలుగు మూవీ, ఎప్పుడు
Why
ఎక్స్పెక్ట్
not?
చేయొచ్చు
Why not? God's grace.
ఆర్
We'll
నో
see.
మల్టీ స్టారర్
We'll see. Oh, it'll be a pleasure. It'll be a pleasure. It'll be a pleasure to work and, of course. And also, I forgot to tell you, I also met Pawan Kalyan garu. So don't call me Power Star here. Power Star is Pawan Kalyan.
దట్స్ వై ఐ టోల్డ్ కన్నడ పవర్ స్టార్
Yeah, still. So, I have met Pawan sir a couple of times. And I had an opportunity to meet him at the studio, Ramojira Film City, during his movie Johnny film
జాన్
shoot.
యా
So he spoke about my childhood film called Better the World.
ఓ
It was very sweet of him, and a lot of actors, in fact, great friends.
ఐ ఫర్గట్ టు ఆస్క్ యూ అబౌట్ సింగింగ్ చాలా సినిమాలు పాడారు అంటే ఇప్పుడు ఈ మూవీలో కూడా ఒక సాంగ్
I
పాడారు
know there are thanks and మన producers, తర్వాత film music directors, because నా trained singer కాదు, passion, that's it. So somehow a lot of them like it.
బట్ ప్యాషన్ ఉంటే అది ఒక సాంగ్ రెండు సాంగ్స్ పాడతారు కానీ
I know,
మీరు
no, 100
20
plus songs I know.
యా అన్ని మీ మూవీస్లో దాదాపు అన్ని పాడి ఉంటారు మీరు బహుశా అన్ని సినిమాలకి పాడి
My
ఉంటారు
films, yeah, I sing, but నాకు happiness ఇవ్వాలంటే when I sing songs for other heroes,
ఓకే
it gives me a lot of thrill. And when I hear those songs on radio or on programs, I feel extremely proud that I have sang that song for somebody else.
అండ్ బిఫోర్ కంక్లూడింగ్
Yeah.
ఐ వాంట్ యూ టు సింగ్ ఫర్ అస్
Really?
ఎందుకంటే సూపర్ స్టార్ హీరోస్ పాడడం చాలా అరుదు చాలా రేర్ అండ్ యూ గట్ దట్ టాలెంట్ అండ్ వీ హ్యావ్ దట్ ఆపర్చునిటీ టు ఆస్క్ యూ
Oh my
హ్యావ్ దట్
God.
ప్రివిలేజ్ టు ఆస్క్ యూ
I'll sing one of the songs which is composed by
ప్లీజ్
Taman itself.
ఏదైనా పాడు
ಗುರುವಾರ ಸಂಜೆನ ಹೊರಟಿದ್ದೆ ಅಲೆಯೋಕೆ ಎದುರಾಯಿತು ಚೂಡಿದಾರ ತೊಟ್ಟ ಮರಿ ಜಿಂಕೆ. That's it.
థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్ సార్ థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్
Thank you.
ఇట్స్ వెరీ ప్లెజర్ టు హ్యావ్ యూ హియర్
Pleasure's mine. Pleasure's mine. Thank you
అండ్
so
ఐ
much.
విష్ యూ ఆల్ ద బెస్ట్ ఫర్ యువరత్న అండ్ మా స్టార్స్తో తెలుగు స్టార్స్తో కలిసి ఒక మల్టీ స్టారర్ చేయాలని కూడా కోరుకుంటున్నాను
Sure. It'll be my pleasure.
థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్ సార్